The power tailgate walk-away close feature on your Acura lets you close and even lock your vehicle while your hands are full. To use it, you have to have your key fob on your person. With the tailgate open, press the walk-away close button on the cargo area sidewall. The indicator on the button will turn green to let you know that walk-away close is activated. You then have 30 seconds to walk at least 3 feet away from the vehicle. The exterior lights will flash and beeping will sound, and the tailgate will close. You can also set your Acura to automatically lock the vehicle when you walk away from it, whether when you simply close a door or use the power tailgate walk-away close feature. On the touchscreen, select Vehicle Settings. Then, Door Setup. It is set to off from the factory, but you can select the slider to turn it on. Now, when all doors and the tailgate are closed, the vehicle will automatically lock when you walk 5 feet away from the vehicle for more than 2 seconds with the key fob on your person.